बाणावले मतदारसंघातून झडपी म्हणून निवडून यायला किती सांगाल स्वतःला?
First of all, I would like to thank Aam Aadmi Party in supporting me and giving me a chance. And also, I will be grateful to my family members who also joined in and supported me while going out door to door, encouraging me also. And also, I'll be also very thankful to Venzi and his team, even Alban from Benaulim, who have endlessly worked it out. At times where I could not even be there to even go door to door, Aam Aadmi Party as a team worked it out, slogged it out, and this is the fruit of it. I will be very thankful. I am very thankful to all of them. I would say thank you to all my voters also who voted generously to give me a chance to make a difference, and I will definitely not let them down. I will also do whatever they want, and plus I will whatever I promised also, I will see that it is done.
फर्स्टली देव बरो करूं म्हणटा सगळे आमगेले वॉलंटियरांक आनी सगळे लोकांक. दिस इज द फर्स्ट विक्टरी फॉर द आम आदमी पार्टी. वी हॅव स्ट्रगल्ड अ लॉट ऑल अक्रॉस गोवा, एंड द होल आयडिया इज टू मेक शुअर दॅट द मायंडसेट ऑफ द पीपल चेंज. आनी आज हो सक्सेसफूल स्टेप हेंजिला बारार आमकां हो स्टेप मेळ्ळा. आमी हे फर्स्ट स्टेप मारला. ZP आमी बेनावली जिखून येयले आनी एक ओरोस मायज उरला आतां. So this step is going to take us with more motivation ahead all over Goa. आज जरी तरी बाणाले लोकांन जरी तरी चिंतिलें की एक डिफरन्स जाय म्हूण, जाल्यार आय थिंक इट हॅड टू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम बेनावलीम, बिकॉज दी आम आदमी पार्टी जेन्ना पयली मिटींग जाल्ली आमगे व्हडली ती बाणाल्या सावन कमेस जाल्ली.